There is only one obstacle that is between you and the life you want to live, and that's you and your mindset.
Why improvement? Well, improvement is good because you're making yourself better and better even though it is a small thing you've done. For improving yourself, energy management. Find out. Energy management. Energy management is when you focus on one thing without being distracted on doing something. Like for example, this clip. I'm doing loads of things, so yeah, I do not have any energy management there. I know I am boring, but hey, we gotta start somewhere. I'm tired of those videos online telling me that if you want to be successful, you have to do this, be disciplined, be consistent, and yeah.